S block elements. We all know S block is basically in the periodic table lies on the extreme left hand side, and it consists of two groups. Let me introduce these two groups to you. The group 1 of the block is having lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. All these elements or the elements of group 1 together are called alkali metals. They are called alkali because when dissolved they react with water and form their hydroxides, which are very strong bases. So they form alkaline solutions which are very strong, actually are bases, therefore they are called alkali metals. Now out of these all, the francium is the one which is radioactive in nature and it is very unstable, with it's one of the isotopes which is having a maximum lifespan of or half-life of 21 minutes only. The group 2 of the S block consists of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now out of these 6 elements, the radium is the one which is radioactive, rest all are stable. Now these group 2 elements of the S block are called alkaline earth metals. The reason is, yes, they also combines with water, forms hydroxides which are alkaline in nature, basic in nature, as well as they and their compounds are very abundantly are available on the earth's crust. That's why we call them alkaline earth metals. Now together these 12 elements, they make what we call as S block. All of these elements are, remember, all of these are metals. Now their first element, lithium and beryllium, shows very different behavior from the rest of the elements. That becomes the reason of their we will understand later on the reasons of their anomalous behavior, which makes them different from the rest of the elements. What is most interesting to note is another thing is that the first element of these groups resembles the very next element of the next period of the diagonal, or it resembles the element which is lying diagonal to it, and this similarity in their behavior, like lithium is resembling the magnesium and beryllium will be resembling aluminium of group 13, is called diagonal relationship. So what we find is the first element resembles the next element of the next period diagonally, or the element which is lying diagonally to the next group, and the relationship is called diagonal relationship.